If you're looking for real Mexican taste, then you need to fiesta at El Porton Mexican Restaurant. With amazing specials every night and all of our food being prepared daily with fresh, healthy, high-quality ingredients, you will see Mexican dining in a new light. Furthermore, your experience is enhanced by the most reliable and professional service. Celebrating our 28th anniversary in 2017, it's about time you come find out why people say we serve the best Mexican food and margaritas in the Little Rock area. We offer takeout and catering as well as dine-in. Stop by one of our 3 locations today and experience the El Porton Mexican Restaurant difference. We are located at 12111 West Markham, Suite 450, 5021 Warden Road, and 5507 Ranch Drive in Little Rock, Arkansas. Or check us out online to see our menu and even place an order at elportonmexicanrestaurants.com. El Porton Mexican Restaurant. Food, margaritas, and lots of fun.